There is nothing better for a dog than a good night's sleep. After a long hard day's work running and chewing sticks and eating steak, Susie needs to relax, and what better way than to prepare a bed for her on the floor with her own pillows. I can't think of a better thing. Okay, let's get started. So first things first, let's put down her duvet, her very own duvet. We've got to make sure Susie is comfortable. This will ensure those beautiful legs of hers need to rest. Yes, they do. You see what I'm doing for you, Susie? I'm preparing a bed. Okay. The duvet is in place. What's next? Pillows. There's nothing more important than a good pillow. Not one pillow, not two, but 3 pillows for Susie. Silk. A silk pillow for Susie. Followed by another duvet. Extra warmth on these cold nights. Oh yes, baby. A blanket. Now if she's cold or warm throughout the night, she can pull the layers off, you know, use the paws and pull it off. It's not a problem. And then in the morning, you won't see this, it'll be off camera, but she normally pulls everything away and takes upstairs, and then she brushes her teeth in the morning, and then she goes and gets the newspaper, and then she cooks me dinner. But yeah, that's normally off camera, but anyway, so she can do that if she wants. So Susie, are you ready for bed? Come on down then. Come on, bed. Put your head on the pillow. Put your head on the pillow. Or you can do that, that's fine. That's fine. Let's cover you up. Let's cover you up. Yeah, there we go. Susie's all comfortable. Good girl. You stay there then. So, I want you to get a good night's sleep, because tomorrow we've got so much to do. Working in allotment, you're going to be a good girl. Bike riding. You have got a life full of adventure. Say good night. Good girl. So, there we go. There's Susie's bed made out for her so she can have a good night's sleep. Look at that. And I will see you in the morning. Good night. Lie down then. You're meant to be going to bed. Come on. Lie down. Put your head down. Put your head down. Oh, it's not time for a midnight snack. Oh, you want to sleep there, do you? You're tired, aren't you? Yawning. Yawning. You want your toy? Go get your toy then. Go get your toy. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh yeah, she takes the toy to bed, don't you, Susie? There's a good girl. You can play with your toy. Paul? Good girl. Good night, Susie. See you in the morning.